Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Nathan at AllBrand Caravan Services. Today we're in a customer's van who's actually changing over from old bulb style setup lights to these nice LED lights here. So currently I'm just wiring in the new lights. If you guys are thinking about upgrading to LEDs, that'd be a great idea as there's a lot of less problems involved with LEDs and it is also much easier to replace them if they do fault out. Now guys, all I've got to do is wire this one up and then we will secure that back up to the ceiling like so and just ensure that they are working exactly like so. And then we'll fit the cover onto them and secure them back to the ceiling. Now if you guys have any questions about LEDs or old style light setups and you were thinking about upgrading, you can come on down to here at AllBrand or you can leave a comment below in the comment section and we can have a look at it for you. Thank you guys, have a great day.